All else fails, we get more sparklers. Oh, whoa, there we go. Wow, we're getting some stuff. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, that was cool. Oh, whoa! Homemade fireworks, people. Well,
A bunch of these for the 4th of July.
look at that.
We needed more aluminum foil apparently.
Look at that. Burnt right through the aluminum foil. And it's still smoking.
Don't.
Whoa. Oh. Still smoking. I think we should step on it.
Oh right, I was gonna get some water this time.
Is this partially better than is it a good idea to microwave this?
I think it's better as a powder.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it was a little bit better as a powder. And it's still smoking. Man. Yeah.
It just keeps now and then I'll have a little spurt of blue.
Oh, whoa.
Or
Still going. Look at that. It's farting.
Max.
It's farting though.
Now we aren't going to put it on YouTube.
No, we're still putting it on YouTube.
You have been making too much commentary. It's making it worse.
Here, here it is.